Developing Thesis Statements, your gateway to strong essays. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of essay writing for the GMAT and GRE, developing strong thesis statements from prompts. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to craft compelling thesis statements that effectively answer the question posed by any essay prompt. A thesis statement is a single sentence in your introductory paragraph that concisely summarizes the main point or claim of your essay. Think of it as the backbone or the heart of your essay. Everything you write should relate back to, and support, this statement. A robust thesis statement. 1. Guides your reader. It offers them a concise explanation of your main point or claim. 2. Provides focus. It helps you, the writer, stay on track and avoid going off on tangents. 3. Sets the tone. A clear and compelling thesis can engage your reader and make them eager to read more. Given a prompt, how do we craft a thesis statement? Here are some steps. 1. Understand the prompt. Before you can write a thesis, make sure you fully understand what the prompt is asking. Are you being asked to argue a point, explain a concept, or describe a situation? 2. Take a position. Decide on your stance or viewpoint concerning the prompt. Remember, a thesis statement isn't just a statement of fact. It should present a claim or argument. 3. Be specific. Avoid being vague. Your thesis should be clear and to the point. Example. Prompt. Discuss the impact of global digitalization on small businesses. Potential thesis statement. Global digitalization has revolutionized small businesses by expanding market reach, increasing operational efficiency, and intensifying competition. Let's get some hands-on practice. Prompt. Examine the role of education in shaping an individual's character. Take a moment to think about your stance on this topic. What do you believe? Now, try to craft a thesis statement. Possible thesis statement. Education plays a crucial role in shaping an individual's character by instilling values, promoting critical thinking, and fostering social skills. Developing a strong thesis statement is like setting a compass for your essay. It ensures you stay on course and deliver a compelling argument. We hope this video has shed light on the art of crafting effective thesis statements from prompts. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep honing your skills, and soon, you'll master the art of thesis writing. Happy writing!